Hi everyone, today we're here to talk about smile lines or nasolabial folds. So a lot of men and women come in with complaints of deep crevices or creases right here that run along basically the corner of the nose down to the corner of the mouth. The reason why we get these smile lines or nasolabial fold creases is usually because we lose volume in the upper face, which causes the lower face to come down. So there's a couple different ways that you can do to fix it. The old way was to kind of go in and fill in the creases. However, now there's better products and better research on the market that shows if you actually lift through the cheek and put the filler along the cheekbone, it helps bring everything back and up, which helps improve the nasolabial fold or the smile lines. So the two products of choice for that area are Wrestle and Lift and Juvederm Voluma. And what we do is we actually go along the cheekbone and put the filler in through there, which helps contour the cheek, give you a little bit better of a cheekbone, while tightening the eye, lifting the nasolabial fold, and also preventing that jowly area that we get down at the bottom. So again, this product is great for men and women. So come now to Aesthetic Lane to learn all about cheek filler and how to decrease your nasolabial folds.